Wearing the proper PPE is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the equipment, so make sure you're fully equipped before proceeding. Check that the access door is securely closed and that there are no unauthorized people in the area to prevent any safety hazards. Disable the main power supply at the power connection panel and ensure the MRI system is completely de-energized to avoid any risk of electrical shock. At the power connection panel, ensure all capacitors are fully discharged and check for any residual magnetic fields to confirm a zero energy state for safety. Inspect the gantry housing closely for any signs of wear or damage, as it's critical to ensure everything is intact and operational for patient safety. The access door needs to be opened to allow for necessary inspections and maintenance tasks. Check the power connection panel to ensure everything is secure before restoring power. This step is vital to avoid any risk of damage or injury.